Welcome. If you want to get fluid animated wallpaper on your Lenovo Tab M10, for the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search bar and type here fluid wallpaper, fluid live wallpaper, and we have to get this application, Magic Fluids Free Simulation and a Live Wallpaper from the Mad Scientist. When you get it, just open. And here's the preview how it is going to look. Click right here, tap to set as live wallpaper, and click on the right upper corner to confirm. Right now we can close this app. And as you can see, here we are with this beautiful wallpaper. And I think it's really easy to apply, and I hope that you can do this after this quick tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, please leave thumbs ups, comments, and remember to subscribe our channel. See ya!